Why is truck insurance so expensive right now? You're not imagining it. Truck insurance has become more expensive. And I hear this question every single day. There are a few real reasons behind it, and none of them are your fault. First, repair costs have jumped a lot. A simple bumper that used to cost around $800 can now run well over $1,500. Parts, labor, shop rates, everything is more expensive than it was even a year ago. Second, the rise of nuclear verdicts. There are extremely large court payouts, sometimes $10, $20, even $50 million after serious accidents involving commercial trucks. When that happens, insurance companies raise rates across the entire market to cover the higher risk. Third, inflation. It impacts truck value, cargo, medical bills, rental replacements, and insurance reflects those real-world costs. So if your premium feels high, you're not alone. Every driver is feeling this right now. What we do as your broker is monitor market changes consistently so that you don't have to. We compare options, negotiate when possible, and help you choose coverage that protects your business without breaking your budget. At TNI, our job isn't just to find a policy. Our job is to guide you through the complexity and support you long-term.